Hello everyone. I just came across a post on XD Developers that there is a ROM available that is based on Android Marshmallow and CyanogenMod 13 that is out for the device Galaxy Star S522. I didn't believe it, so I went ahead and flashed and saw that it works perfectly. So I decided to make a video on that. So let's get started with that. First of all, you need to download the ROM, that is Resurrection Remix, that is based on Cyanogen mode. It's a Cyanogen based ROM that is highly modified. That means you can customize it in different ways. I mean, many ways. You just can think of it. Uh, that file is 335 of MB. The download links and all the links to all the files are given in the description. Don't worry about that. There is a different link for recovery.tat. This is TWRP recovery version 3. So you have to flash this one, and Google Apps, that is Open Gaps. I've given the links. These are the three main files, and there is another link for Galaxy Star Duos rooting kit. In that you will see these three files and another files. So the other files that we will see, just delete it. That is not necessary. Just keep these three files. Okay. Firstly, make sure you have installed your USB driver for Samsung. That is the first thing you are gonna do. After that we are going to proceed. Okay, so next we are going to run mtget tool. Make sure that is your antivirus program is not working, because it detect it as an antivirus. You can see here it is written that Cyanogen mode, because I have already flashed it to just make sure that is working. So I'm again flashing it, so it will also work on your if you are on a custom ROM, so don't worry about that. So click on reboot in recovery. As soon as, just remove the battery and disconnect the cable. Now wait for 1 minute and put back your battery. So next we are going to go in the download mode. So press your volume down button, home button, and the power button at the same time. So here we are in the download mode. Now just connect the USB cable and press the volume up button. So you are now in the downloading mode now. So let's go back and run the Odin. So this blue pass means your device is detected. Now let's click on PDA. Click the recovery tar, that the TWRP recovery file you have downloaded. Open it. Now start flashing. So you are now in TWRP recovery. You can remove the USB cable if you have enough charge, or I don't have much charge, so I'm connecting it. First of all, you have got to wipe, then factory reset. Do a factory reset. Okay. advanced wipe, click this options, system, data. You don't have to worry about internal storage, just wipe it. This wiping will take some time, maybe 5 minutes depending on your files, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, mine is done. Go back, let's go to install zip, and I have placed the files that are the OS, the OpenGamps and C apps in the internal folders. You have to do it. I forgot. This is flashing actually in between. That part I didn't record. Sorry about that. But you have to click on the Resurrection Remix file and click on confirm and flash. So after that you're going to see this kind of screen. So it's flashing. This will take about 30 minutes, so be patient and put your mobile somewhere safe so that it should not be interrupted. Be patient. 30 to 35 minutes, it's normal for this ROM. So I'm gonna just keep this part and continue after it's done. Okay, so the flashing procedure is done now. It took about 20 to 25 minutes for me. So you can see here that it's already flashed. The last update was flashing super su. So you don't have to reboot now. So let's go back and go to install zip. Now we have to install the Google Apps, that is the file you have downloaded, OpenGapps ARM 6.0 Pico. So the ROM doesn't come with all the Google Apps, so you have to flash this zip. Okay, so flash it. So make sure one thing, when you are visiting the link of this OpenGapps file, so all options are pre-selected, don't mess around with it, that are ARM and something like that, Pico and 6 Android version 6. So don't change that, just scroll down the page and click on the red circle button and your download will start. The size will be around 90 MB or something like 88 MB. So I will be skipping this part of installation and I will continue after it has been completed. So the flashing procedure is complete for the Google Apps. Now let's go back, and I want to show you one thing, that there is a called C app, that is CyanogenMod apps, CyanogenOS apps actually. So I have flashed this earlier, but some files are not working. The flashing procedure will be successful for you, but the audio effects that is provided with CyanogenMod, it will be crashed. So that will the problem. If you want to flash it, I just want to show you, I don't recommend flashing it. Even if you want to, then just do one thing first, mount the system first and then flash it. Okay, I'm not going to flash it now. So the procedure is same, you just click on and flash. So I'm just going to reboot now. So you can see now the first boot has taken in place. I can focus now. The focus having some problem. So there is a bootloader of Resurrection Remix OS, and the first will take time 10 to 15 minutes. Be patient. So yeah, that is. So I'm going to skip this part. So the optimizing app procedure is now finishing. It's just about to boot. This is the first boot up screen. Let's go to the settings and show you some features. Let me change it to the dark mode so that you can see properly. Yeah, so this is the configuration part. There is the main part where you can customize your ROM. You can see a lot of customization that you can do. Status bar, notification bar, and something like blah blah blah. You can have your own nav bar. For just an example, I can show you that it really works. You can see the nav bar has come up. Okay, so it's working. Let me disable the one nav bar. So this is Resurrection Remix 5.7.1 and Android version 6.0.1. Let me show you. So this is the game, Android Marshmallow. So yeah, that's all about the ROM. Hope you like my video, and you can do lot of stuff with this ROM. You have also got the CyanogenMod theme manager. You can apply anything as you like. You can change every little bit of this ROM as you like. So thanks to XJ developers for building this ROM, and thanks everyone for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video.